some of these I've never seen in my life. This one here, obviously is obscure, so I don't know what it is. I prefer like the wooden ones, but obviously I'm not a professional. And they're green.
They are green.
Oh my god.
Have a good trip in China.
Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We're currently in Xiamen in China, and this is our China series. We're outside Yonghui Supermarket. It's one of the most popular supermarkets here in China, and we want to see what we can get for $10. 10 US dollars, by the way. So let's go.
$10 is equivalent to 70 yuan, and that's how much we're going to spend. We're going to try and get some snacks, a drink, maybe a cosmetic product. Just see how far money goes inside a Chinese supermarket.
One thing I will notice, and one thing I will say about China, that I'm trying to think with like countries with big populations, comparing this to India. Okay, in China they're very good with their plastic use. You'll have like there's no straws in McDonald's. As you saw, all the veg, no plastic at all. Whereas in India, they like absolutely mad on their plastic. They actually overuse their plastic. It's a big problem. I'm not bashing at India, but I'm just saying, I'm just comparing the two.
So after exploring the supermarket a little bit, you've got like a wide selection of rice, like that packet, massive bags. And then you've got noodles, so many different varieties. Like in our supermarket, you'll be lucky to see like 2 or 3. There's so many different oils, fresh products, not in plastic, fresh fish. And then you've got like your homeware, so many varieties. Let's kind of check out a few of the products.
First up, we've come to like loads of savoury snacks.
First of all, I think we're going to go for these. I keep seeing them everywhere. I'm going to say they're like biscuity things. Not sure, but they're only 6 yuan. Also, I saw these we had last time in Beijing. They're like a row of thin biscuits.
Do you want to try something different though?
I haven't tried this flavour.
I'm looking at these as well. Look like spicy. Am I pushing it a little bit, getting 3 things?
Just get what you want.
Again.
So tomorrow we have actually got a flight, so these things will come in handy for our flight, even though we've got a meal. Next we need something sweet. I'm thinking maybe like a biscuit or cakey thing. Oh, could it? Oh, there's a bit too many in that though. Maybe if it was at the beginning of our trip.
But it's only, what's the, oh, $9.90. It's not too bad. Oh, God. So these Pringles here, you've got packs of them, like these ones here. So 3 of them are 19 yuan. So I think you'd probably pay that for 1 in the UK. So 3 times as cheaper in this supermarket in China. Unreal. I think we could do with a basket like we've under-anticipated.
Avocado Lays.
Oh wow.
Pringles, they're only $9.90. We haven't really got the room for that much stuff.
Maybe we could put the crackers back.
Shall we?
What do you think? I think the Lays.
Rather the avocado.
I think the avocado Lays are better. See, we got to be careful. We got to like pick and choose like our favourite what we want, because we want to try things as well as the challenge. We actually want to try things.
Yes.
Yeah. Where the baskets?
We need a basket. I might have to grab a trolley. I ain't seen a basket.
Where's the trolley?
Trolley, yeah. Trolley?
That's her one, isn't it?
I don't know whose it is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right, we have a trolley.
I feel like we stole someone.
Yeah. It had something in already, but the woman was like, yeah, just take it.
So I don't think I've ever seen so many different flavours of Oreos. We've got, I'm going to say it's like matcha, berry, birthday cake, whatever them fruits are, fig. Where's the other one? I did see another weird, like peach, that was it. But I'm not really feeling Oreos. Yeah, I know, like half the different fruits, combined colours. I think maybe try some of these like stick things. I'm thinking this flavour. Ain't got a clue what it is. It's green. Let's get some of them. They're $5.50. I think we need like a drink next, like a Chinese tea or something. Here we go. Tea. Which one? Oh, peach. I'm voting for that one. Peach. Sold it to me.
We've had this before.
We have had that.
Yeah.
I wasn't a fan.
No.
You liked it. It's fun. Got like jasmine, like a flowery flavour.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get that one. It's $4.90. I've not kept track of any of these prices, so we might go over, we might go under. We're just gonna see how much it comes to at the end. But our challenge is obviously $10 and not to go over. See if we can do it without even calculating. Really want one of these bottles. How cool are these? So it pops out like that, and you've got like a strap, so you can like put it across you, and then you've got a bottle of water with you. It's like 50.
Not sponsored, by the way.
But I really would like one. I think they're quite cool. Maybe another day. They're massive. That must be a litre.
Yeah, if
150
you want this bottle, the link's in the description. Use our discount code. No, I'm joking. It's not sponsored.
Oh, here's the bakery. Didn't you say like you wanted like a bakery item?
This is $3.40. We've also got all these pastries here. Some of these I've never seen in my life. This one here, obviously, is obscure, so I don't know what it is. But it's
got orange.
Orange and squidgy. So yeah, we're gonna go for that. $3.40.
Oh my god, I need this. Literally, a cat bowl. $7.90. Do you think I can travel around for the next 3 months without my
our
bag?
last stop's China.
I'm getting a cat bowl.
So when we fly home, we'll be...
For Christmas.
Yeah, when we fly home, we always go home for Christmas, right? When we fly home for Christmas, we will be coming to China before. So, like I'm saying to Reanne, anything you see that you want to take home, get it when we come back. Don't get it now, because then we've got to carry it around with the world with us, you know?
I'm going to shop from my house that I don't have. So I'd really like to buy some chopsticks to take home. So we've got like a wide selection here. And look, these down here, only $6.50. And you get like 10.
That is good.
So I'll buy them now.
Do you really have, do we have space in the bag, do you know? These ones, right, I can't get on with them. They always like slip out of my hand. I prefer like the wooden ones, but obviously I'm not a professional. I'm not very good with chopsticks. So this is like unique. Like we have nothing like this in the UK. So I'm assuming you put things in a bag and then you just pay for the weight. All this stuff. And this is sort of like a pick and mix situation. And then you just pay for the weight. It's a little bit confusing for a challenge. Rianne's spying on people to see what they do.
Do it, this pick and mix section. You get back. Put stuff in there, and then there's a guy over there that will weigh it for you. So I'm going to get some treats. So
we put a sticker on it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's we saw it in the supermarket over there. It's like the veg they do that. They weigh everything.
It's a dangerous thing to give me.
Really, this is a challenge, so don't overdo it, you know? That's cool, yeah.
Chicken drumsticks, sesame seed cream, like that. I'm guessing you don't have to put the same thing in there.
So obviously if you're watching this now, tell me what is, I know this is obviously, once we release this, we'll be back in China, so I can come back, but tell me there's got to be something in this part here that everyone like always loves to buy. What's like the best thing? What's the most tasty, sweet, whatever, lovely snack that everyone likes? All this, and all this. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Right, I'll read every comment. I'm very good like that, and I will gladly get it. See, we're not 100% sure this is right, so Rianne's got me to do it.
你要这个你到前面那边买单的那边服务台那边。
Okay, cheers. This way. That's the wrong one. One thing I've found in China, right, since I've been here, is that alcohol is really cheap. Really cheap. Like beer is ridiculous. Beer's like 30p. But here, look at this. 5 litres of rice wine. 5 litres. 168. So what's that? Insane.
So we've been bit to death. I don't think you could see them because it all. Oh, there, look.
There. Right there.
Ow. But most of them are actually on my bum. So we're going to grab some of this spray. We think it's for mosquito. There's a little mosquito crossed off on it, and it's $5.40. So we're going to grab some.
Right, I'm doing my calculations. I'm looking at this, and I think we've just about done it. But I think we just need to spend like maybe like 6 or 8 yarn more to get to $10. So I'm in the alcohol bit conveniently. So I'm gonna grab a beer. 6 yarn. I'll do nicely, and that will hopefully take us to our $10.
So we've just gone in the queue, but we're still not sure on this. So we're just going to ask, see what she says.
Hello.
Hello.
This. Yeah. Oh, she's doing it. She's here. That's a relief. She's doing it for us.
Hello. Okay. Favorite tea tickets.
On there somewhere.
Oh, she scanned the QR. Thank you.
Well under. I think we're well under.
So we're actually well under budget. It was only 50 yuan.
That's absolutely crazy. Like I thought we were like a little. We were going to be about.
You thought we were going to be over?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be quite a bit over.
Well, we
Yeah.
got this whole bag, and she was so helpful. She had to go over to another machine, stop the till at the queue behind us, and go and scan all our bits for us. We wouldn't have known how to do it. I think I only had one item that could have been weighed all together. I don't know how that worked, but we did it in the end, and she was really nice and helpful.
Yeah.
And it's just your QR code on your Alipay, they scan to pay for it. See what we've got in our bag and have a try. We'll try the drink first. This peach iced tea I'm going for. I think the colour just appealed to me. It's like a really nice light pink and green. A cold peach iced tea with no sweetener to it though. So it's probably good for your kind of iced tea. I like it. It'll be nicer with some ice and really, really cold. This is what I want to try because I have no idea if that's sweet or savoury. No idea at all. Like, if you find these in our supermarket, they'd be really expensive.
Oh wow, they're like individual packs.
Yeah. Did you not know that?
So would this be like, would you send your children to school and put it in their lunchbox? Is there that sort of thing?
So you get like 2 in the packet. It's like a thin kind of wafer. What are you thinking? Sweet or savoury?
Savoury.
I think sweet. Savoury. I think it's both. The white sauce on top's like sweet, and then the biscuit's savoury. It's kind of like a cross between, like not a wafer. You know, like kids would get given them when they were younger, like thin wafers.
Yeah.
You'd really like this. This is something you'd eat.
It's actually more like airy than you think, isn't it?
Sweet and savoury though, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it is a little bit sweet at the end.
That's perfect for you. That reminds me of a little bit of like popcorn, because Ben loves popcorn.
Yeah.
So it'd be like a sweet savoury snack that Ben would like. There's a thing, avocado Pringles. We tried cucumber Pringles, well Lays, these are Lays, back in Beijing, and they literally taste like cucumber. So is this actually going to taste like avocado? Are they going to be green as well? Ah, this is just a genius invention.
And they're green.
They are green.
Oh my god.
Welcome to Xiamen.
Hello,
thank you.
Wish you have a good trip in China.
Thank you.
Xie.
Say
Thank you,
hi. Oh, how nice. Don't taste like avocado at all. Kind of reminds me of ready salted Pringles, but they're a lot smaller than normal Pringles because obviously these are Lay's brand, not Pringles brand. Oh, I've got no avocado taste.
Maybe it's because they're green.
They taste like ready salted. You see what you think? Don't they?
Yeah. A slight taste, but yeah, I know what you mean. There's nothing to them.
I'll let you try this as you picked it.
Okay, right. As I said in the shop, I'm not sure what it is. It's obscure, so. Oh, hello.
That's normally like
Keep it fresh.
Yeah.
I'll get. Oh, no. I'm going to go straight into the middle. I reckon there's a filling.
That is a massive bite. Look at this. Look at that.
Oh, boy. I ain't got no filling.
It's got like layers in it.
Yeah. Oh, like orange inside, and it's like a sponge. It's like a real like hint of orange. It's not like a strong orange, and the buns actually look really soft.
I can imagine you cutting that in half and putting some butter on it.
It needs it. It needs
Yeah.
a bit of butter. It's not dry, but it's just not much about it.
Oh, it's really light and fluffy.
Yeah.
Really light. I actually really like that. I'd probably put chocolate spread on it. So these are the like thin crackers we got. We've had them in different flavours before. I have no idea what this is. So you can tell us which flavour it is, Ben.
I will try. Oh, straight away it smells.
Again, a little tray like that.
Yes, a square. Really crunchy, cracky,
Reminds
crackly.
me of Cheez-Its.
Very much like Cheez-Its, very like Cheez-It texture. And they've got I can't explain it. Try one, Reanne. Try.
You're not sure what the flavour is?
No. They've got a taste of something. I know, but I don't know what it is. Lime?
Tomato, I'd say.
Tomato.
Remind me of like one of tomato crisps. We're gonna have to translate it and check what it says on it. So they're actually non-baked crisps, I just translated, and it's tomato flavour. How good's my taste bud?
No,
I'm actually bad, John.
Yeah, I did agree with you when you said that. So I was like, oh yeah, but
They're good. They're really, really good.
You have got good taste buds, I will say.
I have. These are the things we've all been anticipating and wanting to know what these are like. These remind me of something called Get My Nieces. They love things like this. I remember when I was younger, I used to get these, normally like Turkey or somewhere, when you're abroad, and you used to like, they used to be chocolate and white, and you used to pretend they're like bags.
Yeah, everyone does that. Come on, Reanne, give us something.
I think it's matcha kind of flavour. It's not a lot of flavour. It's not like it's definitely, yeah, it's matcha. Definitely matcha. Took me a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight away.
It's more of like a cake matcha. Look.
It actually tastes exactly like that picture.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like. If you can imagine.
I'm not going to bore you too much on this bag, but this is the only thing that wasn't included in the weight of the bag. It was like a mini little chocolate, and that was 120, and then the whole bag was 447.
Just try something unique.
Oh no, I'm just going to get Lucky Dip. That. Whatever that is. Oh
wow.
It's like a peanut and sesame seed thing. It's like a Tim Tom, is it? Tim Tom? Tom?
Mr. Tom.
Mr. Tom bar.
Mr. Tom bar.
Literally like that. Wow, nice.
Classic British peanut bar, Mr. Tom bar. Oh, that was delicious. That's marvellous.
I actually think we did really well on our food selection. Like, we got a variety of different things to try. I really enjoyed that, actually. I love going to supermarkets when we go abroad. When you go to supermarkets at home, you see a lot of Chinese things, but we can't ever afford it because it's really expensive. So it's nice to go somewhere where it's super cheap and affordable. We're going to finish the video here. I'm going to go back and get something to eat, enjoy my beer that I purchased in the shop. And the next time you'll see us, we'll be in a different Chinese city. So make sure you subscribe.